Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Advanced Settings. Now we have to enter Backup and Reset option, and as you can see in the Factory Reset section, we've got the Network Settings Reset here, so let's tap. Now your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So simply tap on Network Settings Reset. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, your device will require you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So let's tap on Next. Here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset Network Settings, and here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.